As True evolves, we are updating our mission, vision, and core values to align with new opportunities. Our new mission: to help our customers live confidently. Our vision: to be the authority in precision equipment at every degree, powered by innovative manufacturing, exceptional products, and superior customer relations. Our true core values are trust, reliability, uncompromising, empowerment. These strategic objectives will drive True into the future and help us achieve precision at every degree.